There's a new way of running Instagram follow ads in 2025, and these ones are absolutely banging. They're getting people leads and clients just like that. And what I want to go through in this video is how to set them up, how to create them, and also why you need them as an online coach. And yeah, let's get into the video. And if you don't know who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I help 6 to 7 to 8 plus figure entrepreneurs build content systems to save time and scale. If you want my social proof, check out the first link in the description. If you want to join my email list full of free content tips and resources daily, check out the second link. But let's get into it. First, I want to go through why you kind of need them. So this is the funnel that I'm going to be kind of speaking about today. We're going to go through the one part of the funnel, but it's follow ad. Let me change that. Follow ad to, as well as content, and also you can run DM ads as well, and then content setting, and then call, close. And the good thing about these ads is they're going to bring people into your ecosystem. Now, what I like to say to people is you need an ecosystem. You need to be in front of your prospect's face 24/7. okay, you always need to be in front of your prospect's face for them to eventually convert. The follow ad brings people into your ecosystem. The content nurtures them, so short form content, social proof content, niche content, speaking directly to your ideal clients' pains. The setting sets people on call, so reaching out to people who interact with your content or follow you from the follow ad. And then it goes to the call. They're pre-sold because they've been through your content, they've seen what you do, they know exactly how many results you have, who you've done it for, etc. And then it just goes to the close. So that's why you need the follow ad in 2025, because trust is at an all-time low, skepticism is at an all-time high, and what this is going to do is bring people into your ecosystem, build up trust through the content. But today I want to go through how to actually set up this ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto my phone, because this is how you set it up. It's really simple. Well, actually create the creative. I'm going to go into my phone, put it on the screen so you can see. But I'm going to show you how to set it up. So what I'm going to do is go onto Instagram. I'm going to go to story. I'm going to create, and this is one of my clients' pictures actually, so I'm just going to use that as an example. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something really simple. So the whole goal of this ad is to get people to follow you, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a client result. I'm going to go to photo, as you can see. Don't mind the pictures of my body. I'm just looking amazing as usual. But yeah, I'm going to go to a client result. Let me see. Let's just do an example for my client again. This is what I would create for him. So I'm going to put a client result in the middle. And what I'm going to do is, it depends on your offer. It really depends on your offer. But what you want to do is you kind of just want to get people to realize what you actually sell and what your offer kind of is, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to put here is, basically I would definitely have a testimonial on here. So what I would say is 25k month. 25k month. And this is for a sales coach, just keep in mind, but this works for everyone. 25k month. I'm going to turn this into white, not with content. No, what I'm going to say is 25k month, not by starting a agency, building a e-com store, or coaching. And then what I'm going to do is move this down a bit. I'm going to move this up a bit. I'm going to put it here, and then below this one I'm going to put, this is for, again, a sales coach. So just by mastering high ticket sales. And then boom, I'm going to turn this one red. I'm going to put this below here. I'm going to put the result a bit lighter, smaller. And then I'm going to put follow me to learn how. I'm going to put that white again. And then boom. So I'm going to make this actually a bit smaller as well. Make this a bit smaller. Move this up, move this up, move this up. And what I'm going to do is go here and then press save. And you can either do this as a video, or you can do it as a picture like I just did. But now I'm going to set it up, so it's really as simple as that. And as I said, it depends on your offer. It depends. Let's just say, for example, you're a fitness coach, for example. You could say put a client result of someone losing weight, not by sacrificing the. You can put something like this guy lost 50 pounds in 2 months, for an example, not by sacrificing the foods he loves, but by so and so, so and so, so and so. So you kind of your unique mechanism, and then what you can say is follow me to learn how. Okay, really as simple as that. I don't want it to get over complicated, but this works if you're a 6-figure plus entrepreneur. This is going to kill it. It's just going to get way more people into your ecosystem with. And also lower the cost of ads, because the ads you're probably running right now, straight to a VSL, booking a call, no trust, lower close rate and everything like that. But with these, they go through your content after, they build up trust, you set them on a call, you hammer them with more content, and boom, they close a pre-sold lead like that, okay? But I'm going to go how to set these up. So what you're going to do is go to Business Suite, Meta Business Suite, and we're going to go into Ads Manager. You have to go to Ads Manager for these types of content. So I'm going to go to Ads, and then as you can see here, it takes you straight to Ads Manager. So what I'm going to do now is click on Create. And what I'm going to do now is click on Create. Let's see. Turn these off. I don't want any of these on at the moment. Create engagement. It's an engagement campaign. Sorry, no, yeah, is an engagement campaign. So what we're going to do is click on a traffic campaign. So traffic here, continue, manual traffic campaign. You can set these up in your Meta Business Suite, but you have to post it. But what I want to do, I don't want to post this one because it's literally just a picture of me saying follow me for more. I'm just going to create an ads manager, so you can name it whatever you want. Just go to next. We're going to go to Instagram profile, set the budget. I would recommend $20 to $30 a day starting out, and don't think you're not going to lose money. That's what I want to make you realize, is you probably will lose a little bit of money testing these to see which one works, but one will eventually work. Going to put in your location, so where you want it to go. You can exclude. I would exclude third world countries. I would exclude like India, Nigeria, Pakistan, if you don't target those people. Not being rude at all, but like you understand what I'm saying. But just exclude them. So click on here and then search in locations, and then include where you want to go. And then we're going to switch to original audiences. So what we can do here is you can put the age of your ideal clients, your gender of your ideal clients. Let's just say you only target men, you can put men in there. And then demographics, so what your ideal clients' interests are. So if you're a sales coach, you could put sales, high ticket, business, etc. Money, make money online, etc. If you're presenting a new business opportunity, for example fitness, it could be health and wellness, for example, stuff like that, okay? And then what we're going to do is go to Advantage Plus Placements. We're going to go to Manual Placements. And to be honest, I don't want you to focus too much on the audience, actually. Like, if you have a good pixel already and you've been running ads that have been doing pretty decently, you have the pixel data and it's going to follow that, okay? So it doesn't really matter as much. Like, yeah. So what we're going to do is Manual Placements, turn off Facebook. We don't even want Facebook. Just leave it at this. These are more story ads, but I would keep everything else on. Just make sure you've created the story right so it fits in the whole things. Then you're going to go to next, name it, make sure your Instagram page is set up. We're going to put single image or ad. We're going to put follow at your content with James B to learn how to X. So to learn how to so and so, so and so, so and so. Okay, and then we're going to add the media, add image. You're going to upload it from, you can transfer it, airdrop it from your iPhone to here. Press upload, then upload, and then what I can do is go, let me just use this one here, next, and as you can see, this is what I put, 6,400 days with the MYC ecosystem. Thing I didn't do here, which is why I actually turned this one off, I didn't call out my ideal client. So make sure you call out your ideal client. So I should have said high ticket business owners. 6,400 with days with the MYC ecosystem. For example, record for an hour a week, that's it, because I do everything for our clients, we take over everything. And then follow me to learn how, next. Make sure that's here, visit Instagram profile, next, done. And then just see how it looks. If it looks alright, you can go ahead, this is how it should look, visit Instagram profile, and then boom, press publish. Really as simple as that. And yeah, that's how to set up these simple ads. And what's going to happen is people are going to start following you. What you can do is, or an assetter, or you can set up ManyChat to do it for you, is reach out to these people, and if they don't book in a call, they're just going to keep seeing your content until they do. If they don't set on a call, they're going to keep on seeing your content. If they do book in a call but don't close, they're going to keep seeing your content again and again until they say, yeah, let's do it. And then boom, you're going to close these clients. Okay, and yeah, this is how to set up these ads, really simple as that. But yeah, I hope you got some value from this. If you did enjoy this video and you want to learn how to build the ecosystem behind this, so with the content, for example, you can check out this video up here, it would help you do that. I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.